welcome back to the channel. And today I have a good video over the Monte Carlo here. But first, I think there's something in the way actually. That's obviously the Cobalt right there. More videos will come over the Cobalt, so I gotta move this bitch out of the way so I can get the Monte Carlo out of the garage, and then I'll discuss what today's video is over. So let's move that bitch. Alright guys, so after that long ass time of me moving that car back, Monte Carlo out, look at the windshield. Holy shit, I don't know if you guys can see that right now. That looks awful. Christ, this thing is dirty as shit. What I'm doing in this video is I'm pretty much going to be demonstrating, because I've had this issue for a very long time. And the odd thing is it always wasn't like this. So pretty much when you do a burnout in a front-wheel drive car, obviously you'll slide forward. You can't sit still and just burn them. Just sitting still, you know, like maybe steering the steering wheel like back and forth just to, like, you know, angle the front end of the car a little bit to lose more traction, just so that it doesn't want to go forward as much. It doesn't matter, it's going to go forward. So pretty much what you have to do is somehow lock the rear end of the car in place, and the parking brake doesn't do shit. Because yeah, the tires are locked, even if you have brand new tires, unless they're super sticky, parking brake's locked, it's just gonna pull them forward and put massive flat spots in them, which is what happened to my old tires. That's why when I covered the video over when I got new tires, that's the reason I had to get new tires, was because I put flat spots in those fuckers in the back. Pretty much what you gotta do, and I don't currently have anything to demonstrate, but it's pretty much self-explanatory. You get like a wheel chalk or a wheel wedge, pretty much a wedge designed shape, and you pretty much just shove it into the front side of the rear tire, so that when it wants to go forward, it's gonna have to get up and over a wedge, you know, before it has the ability to actually keep going forward. And since the front tires are spinning, there's not a whole lot of traction to actually accomplish that. So it might go up a little bit. I've done it before, up a little bit and down, and then it'll find the sweet spot where it just kind of rests there, and then you can just sit there and burn them for as long as you want. But you can't just release the parking brake and, you know, just drive on as you're burning out, gain traction, and then just start driving like normal, you know. Otherwise you might, but like the back of your car is just gonna go right over the chalks, and it could really damage some shit. So that's the bad thing. If you're doing a burnout with the chalks, then you have to stop when the burnout is done. You have to stop, put it in neutral, let it back up a little bit off the wedge, and then take the wedges out and then carry on. But yeah, there's a trade-off here. You can't really do anything about it. So that's why rear-wheel drive cars are just the best of all worlds. They really are. Obviously, you guys know the Cobalt is front-wheel drive. Monte Carlo is front-wheel drive. I have no more rear-wheel drive cars except for that 80 Trans Am that you guys have seen in the one video. The one video where I did the floor pans in it. Which more videos will be coming over that too, but Yeah, sadly I won't be able to demonstrate in this video what it would look like with the wedges in a burnout, but obviously I'm gonna do a burnout for the sake of the video. It would be almost a pointless video if I weren't to do a burnout. Alright guys, holy shit, it is a lot harder than I thought to find a road that I can do this hole/burnout on. It is extremely hard to find this road, especially, and it's weird because I'm in the country, like I'm in the middle of fucking nowhere pretty much. Like look around, that's all you see around me. So it's kind of weird. If you guys are interested in seeing me driving the Cobalt on camera, here's the only problem. It's not that. It's not an automatic. I have to shift with it, and usually I'm using my right hand right now to film the video. So I don't know how I'm supposed to shift and film the video and steer with my other hand. I don't know how the hell I'm gonna do that, but I think I found the road right here that I could do it on. All right, so I was thinking about doing like a pole in this video. I mean a burnout, but what I'm gonna do a burnout. I'm gonna do a burnout. So now I was going to do pretty much like I did the burnout going the one way. I was gonna do it coming back the other way, but you guys saw that farm right back there. There was like a bunch of people like standing outside, and then they started running towards the barn, like as if they were gonna get like a vehicle out or something like that. I really don't want to deal with someone's shit right now. I really don't. I'm just trying to make a video. And speaking about videos, I apologize to you guys if I am not doing too well of a job on consistently uploading videos. It's a lot harder than you think it is. Holy shit, that's a big ass bird. God damn. Sorry if it's like kind of like just here and there type shit, but I'm really trying to get a consistent, you know, upload here going. I just have a lot of stuff to do. I have to work around my schedule, and it's not necessarily easy to do so. Not even filming the video, it's about editing the video. You know, I usually like to find different music to put in every different video, like background music. You guys hear it like here and there. I gotta find that. I gotta export the video, do this and that and this and that. So, hey, bear with me. I got a lot of shit to do, but I really do thank you guys for sticking around. You know, we're at, I think, 430, I think, 420, something like that, subscribers. I know it's not like a whole lot, just somebody who has like thousands upon thousands upon, you know, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, millions. But it means a lot to me because it shows that my work is actually somewhat paying off. Okay, I'll be dead ass. I got like a wild hair idea. I was like, hey, what if you shoved wheel chocks in the back to make it stop rolling? It worked. It actually worked. Like, holy shit, it worked. What the fuck? There's something going on up here. Thank fuck I'm not taking that road. So yeah. Thank you guys for hanging with me. Thank you for the subs, viewing the videos, all that shit. It really makes it worthwhile doing this. So I sincerely thank you guys. And you guys saw at the beginning of this video, the intro, the newest parts of the intro. The first clip of the intro is a green 69 Camaro doing a donut. I was in it doing the donut, but that is my dad's Camaro. Now, I raced him, it would be 4 days ago, I didn't get it on camera, but I raced him in the Monte Carlo, obviously, against his 69 Camaro that has like one of the 2-port injection motors off the 80s Corvettes. that he's built. He built the motor, and he's had valve train noise the entire time. He thought it was just noisy, the noisy lifters he put. He thought they were just noisy lifters. Turns out the hydraulic part of the lifter actually failed, and it almost was acting as a solid lifter. And obviously that's not good because it's a hydraulic camshaft. Now, we raced. I obviously beat him. I did not think I was going to at all. I beat him by probably like a car length-ish. So, there was that. We went back home, all that. We go out and drive it later. And we're driving it, you know, it's just clicking away. And that was normal because we thought it was noisy lifters. And all of a sudden, the fucking lifter goes out and it bends the push rod. I'll put a picture right here on the screen of what the push rod looked like compared to all the other push rods that came out of the motor. Now, I felt really bad because I feel like I aided in its demise. But when you think about it, it was gonna happen anyway. I just feel partly responsible because I pushed that motor to its limits right as it was starting to break. So we're getting that rebuilt. Probably a rematch in this thing versus the Camaro, so stay tuned for that. But I think that's all I got time for this video, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next one.